zusammen. Hello everybody, 大家好. Welcome to the pitch of SUpplyDU.com, the B2B platform that is connecting the casting industry. All of you know that in the past years we experienced a lot of troubles, be it either supply chain disruptions, be it COVID in the last years, be it trade wars, a lot of things that happened. My co-founder Kai and myself experienced this firsthand. When we worked together in China a few years back, we with local suppliers in the automotive industry, we had big problems due to trade wars at that time. Specifically, we had casting tools already available, but equipment was stuck in the customs in USA, and it wasn't possible to deliver it to China at that time. So we were trying to find alternative suppliers, and we actually pretty fast recognized that that's quite difficult. Because in many cases, information are just not transparent online. You cannot find the right input about technical capabilities, about available equipment, about the competencies in general of the suppliers, and then you have problems. And as we also experienced, that just informations are not up to date. The suppliers not really taking care of their platforms. It's very difficult to keep them updated. It's expensive to keep them updated. And the other thing is also there's a quite low level of trust online. You try to find somebody online. Does this company really exist? Are they really capable? Can they really do what they promise? And especially then in the casting industry, we have some add-ons. You know it. We have very long lead times for everything, no matter if it's equipment, if it's tools, whatever it is. It all takes quite a long time, and we have heavy investments. And then again, especially for the casting industry, you have a very low online transparency. This is a traditional business, and traditional business feel, in my experience, quite hard to present themselves very well online. So out of this, we developed the idea to change something. We thought we need to make the market more transparent. We need to show what the suppliers can. We need to show which capabilities they have, which capacities they have available. And that's our key points. We managed to get a greater transparency of the market. We really show technical capabilities on our platform. We make it very easy, for example, to do new sourcings or also to relocate parts if necessary because of things that are happening right now. You see this with the energy problems in Europe. Often you have a relocation or similar things. What we also do, we really make sure that profiles are up to date, and that profiles that are up to date with latest information really get promoted on our platform. And we create a link between offline and online services, and I come back to this a little later and say a few more words. And the other thing is, what we are going to do in the very near future is we will implement the project functions where customers can place their projects into the platform, and we will combine this with a verification process of the suppliers where we have people on site at the supplier to verify that the information on the profiles are actually accurate. And we will also implement machine capacities so that if you are looking for a new project for a supplier, it's very easy to find it not only based on capabilities but also based on available equipment capacities. And you see this, we do this in a very easy handleable, very accessible way for everybody. For suppliers, for customers, and also for equipment manufacturers that are also part of our platform. And we really try to standardize the format, standardize the information, make suppliers comparable, and make information really easily available and accessible to everybody. And the other thing that we are doing, besides our online services, we are providing business services for suppliers and also for customers via our partner network. And in this case, we focus pretty much on the things that are relevant right now. Looking at supply chain requirements, supply chain laws, and sustainability requirements that are getting very, very important right now. And we also acknowledge that you cannot only let a supplier go and let a process go, but that you need really much support in many cases of supplier development, process development on site. And the other thing is, we're talking about part sourcing and part relocation, which are getting more and more important. And what we offer via our network is, for example, certifications, project management, trainings, for example, for quality tools, carbon footprint calculations and CO2 reduction programs, and also other things like product validation, for example. And our key focus here is, on the one side, on transparency, to really make sure competencies, capabilities, and capacities are available, also by including the equipments and equipment manufacturers as part of the whole system. The second thing is that you really can get, it's mentioned here, that you can get the full package. Not only we are supporting you online, but also offline, with all the needs on the supplier and the customer side. And we offer a project function and verify suppliers that are participating in this project function. And now a bit to the last year. We just published a platform basically 7 months ago, and we already achieved to have over 200 registered suppliers on the platform with basically very, very little marketing effort and a very self-dedication of the suppliers to update their profiles on a very, very regular base. Also, we established our global expert and industry network. We gained very comprehensive market intelligence, and what we see is that our supplier, that the profile growth rate means the speed with which new suppliers register is increasing rapidly. Basically, we had a good year, 23, but there's a lot more to come in the coming years and months. And I said, we connect the foundry industry, but in the end, we would like to connect the foundry industry with you together.